This video is going to be a brief overview of the send sale function within Retail Pro Prism. Send sale allows for a customer to pay for a product at one location and then pick up the product at another location. It creates a special order that sends over to the other location for the customer then to get their merchandise. From the receipt screen, we're going to add a product to our receipt. Once the product is on the receipt, we have to click on item type and set the item type as a send sale item. This is going to convert the item to an order item. When we select the send sale, it'll give us a list of remote locations to select. This will be the location that the customer is going to pick up the merchandise from. You see here we have a send sale item type. And now because this is an order, it does require a customer to be associated on the receipt. We'll just type in Smith and select a customer. And then the customer is going to pay for the item. In this case, we'll just do cash. It's going to be using the payment amount. I won't print a receipt here. It's going to be using the payment amount as the deposit on the order. And then the order is completed, or the transaction is completed on this side, and the product would be ready to pick up at the remote location. Okay. When the customer has arrived at the remote location where the product is going to be picked up, the cashier will have to go into the transaction lookup screen. They're going to filter the transactions by transaction type send sale. That will display the transaction. They're going to select the transaction, which will bring us into the receipt. And we see here that we have a 0% fulfilled on this item. We will go to order details, select fulfill send sale. It will have us choose the item we want to fulfill. We can say fill all due, fill the item. If there's multiples or a specific quantity, we'll say fulfill all due, and then hit OK. And then when we're going to go to the tender screen, it's going to tell us that there's a deposit available. This is the amount that the customer had paid at the original location. We're going to say, yes, we're going to apply this deposit. And then we'll say take. And then the transaction is completed, and we should get a receipt generated. After the receipt has been printed, it's going to prompt us that the order has been completely fulfilled and if we would like to close it or not. So we'll say yes. And we're not going to print this one because we already had fulfilled it fully. So we'll just say OK. And then our order is completed. And that is how you utilize the send sale feature in Retail Pro Prism.